दोस्तों हमने सारी रात भिगो दिया और इसमें हमने 2 गिलास 3 पानी डाल दिया और इसमें हम डाल देते हैं आंवला और इसमें हम डाल देते हैं बेकिंग पाउडर। बंद कर देते हैं, पका लेते हैं सीटी लगा के।
Let's get it started. Tequila straight out the bottle. She looks so good when she's sipping a model. I can't get enough. I need you. I think this is lust, not love. 'Cause everything that we touch gives us a rush, and everything that we taste feels like a drug. Shots and we turning up, dancing 'cause the night is young, too much fun, feel alive in the night. She look good, she look right, we could live, we could die. Here she comes, channeling my Casanova. She got a body persona, she got a bite like a cobra. I'll take the venom, it's worth it to know ya. She pulling up with that body, I wanna make her a hobby. She got a face little naughty, I wanna chase it till I got her on me. I can't get enough, I need you, I think this is lust, not love. 'Cause everything that we touch gives us a rush, and everything that we taste feels like a drug. Yeah, I wanna build a life worth living. I wanna be rich 'cause I wanna be given. I feel the time keeps ticking. I wish I had more, but I'll take what's given. I just wanna pop 'cause I've been working a lot. I think I deserve a shot, I think I deserve a spot. 'Cause it's been years on this path that I walked, and if I keep going, I pray I'll be at the top. When I dream big, yeah, I commit. Wanted this life since I was a little kid. Never thought twice, I just did what I did. Worked towards it and now I have an addiction. I've been living life like a dream, like it's fiction. I've been doing things like I have no restrictions. I don't plan to stop, no I don't plan on quitting. Everything I do, yeah, I do it with conviction. I will never give up, I will never give in. Everything I do, yeah, I do it with conviction. I've been on a mission, I ain't never quitting. Everything I do, yeah, I do it with conviction. I believe in free will, I make choices that lead to where I've been. I will never give up, I will never give in. Everything I do, yeah, I do it with conviction. Give me a minute, I need to test out my limits. Like I've been shining to Guinness, I'm breaking records, I'm finished. I feel like I keep on winning, if I don't stop once a minute. I'm moving forward, I'm inching, but this is just the beginning. I've learned a lot of lessons, I've had a lot of blessings. My friends know I'm obsessive, baby. I just did what I did, worked towards it, and now I have an addiction. I've been living life like a dream, like it's fiction. I've been doing